G'day everyone, Trains on Toast here, and I'm at Maddox Road in Newport, which is currently in the process of being removed. So I'm going to show you what they're doing and just get a couple of trains. There's one right now. So they're actually building a massive sky rail over this road, which is hopefully going to ease a lot of the congestion. And there's literal construction happening right now at the crossing, which is pretty awesome. So yeah, now I can't really get very close, but I can try and give as much of a tour as I can. At the moment, because they're removing the crossing, they've got red background crossbucks, E-bells, 2-track sign. I'm not sure what gate it is because I can't actually go up, it's closed off, and then the stop on red signal sign. So yeah. As you can see, there's literal diggers and trucks building up everywhere. Portaloos, sky rail construction. You can see the sky rail is there, but they've yet to put in any of the electric wires or anything. So, yeah. It's probably going to be a pretty short video since I can't get many trains due to the obvious obstruction. So hopefully I can get a good train though. Alright. Just turned on, of course, the moment I walk away. That's probably going to be it for today. Thanks for watching. Bye.